Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by getting the reference into Procreate quickly so you can work immediately. First, create a canvas that matches your final output, or use a standard size like 2048 by 2048. This keeps scale predictable. Then import the photo through Actions, add Insert a photo so it appears on a layer. Once done, open Actions Canvas Reference and choose the Reference tab or full screen window. This lets you pin the image and keeps your painting layer separate from the reference. Now you'll position and use the reference so your process flows without interruptions. Place the reference in the floating window or split view depending on whether you need on-screen composition. Floating is great for moving it around while you sketch. Make sampling easy. Hold Touch or use the eyedropper tool to pick colors from the reference quickly and use Color Drop for fills. Also, lock the reference layer and lower its opacity so you can sketch over it and check proportions without accidentally altering the image. Finish by refining shapes and matching color while keeping the reference non-destructive. Work on separate layers. Block in masses, refine edges, then use Transform to nudge proportions into place. Once forms are right, apply curves or hue/saturation to align tones and use layer masks for clean transitions. If something goes wrong, colors seem inaccurate or the reference disappeared, make sure the canvas color profile is correct. Toggle the reference window or re-import the image. These quick checks usually fix alignment and color mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.